I've been wanting to add a retinol to my skincare, and Elucid Skincare actually reached out to me. So they did send this to me for free for review. So I'm going to try adding this, I'm going to try adding this to my skincare routine. So I'm 41, so I need all the help I can get when it comes to skincare. And retinol is good for collagen depleted skin. So I don't think I'm quite collagen depleted quite yet, but this does act as an antioxidant. It has vegan hyaluronic acid in it, as well as jojoba oil. It has, let's see, it's a retinol serum with 2.5% retinol. So with continued use, what this will do is this will help minimize the appearance of pores. It will help with any kind of eczema, acne scarring, I do believe, or I shouldn't say acne scarring, but blemishes over time. So you start off, let's go ahead and take off the little cover here. You start off using this just twice a week. So you're going to wash your face, and then you're going to apply just a couple drops, and you're going to work it in a circular motion, and then follow up with the rest of your skincare, right? You want to do this only twice a week in the beginning because you're probably going to experience some kind of irritation. And during the day, you want to use a sunscreen because your skin will be sensitive because of the retinol. I'm just taking a look at the page to see if there's anything I might have missed. Oh, of course. This is going to help with fine lines and wrinkles over time. I just want to see if I can open that up. There we go. All right. So that is it. They did provide me with a coupon code. So if you guys want to add some retinol to your skincare, you can use the code Heather to save yourself some money. And this is my first time using retinol. Let me know what you guys think of retinol in your skincare line. Have you used retinol before? Did you have satisfactory results? Were you sensitive to it? I've never used a retinol before, so I'm really excited about adding that to my skincare routine. I'll just use it twice a week, and just over time, I'll try to make it a daily, or I should say nightly, part of my skincare routine, as long as I'm not too sensitive, which I don't think I will be. I'm not usually sensitive to skin products. I can usually use just about anything, so I'm excited to just add this to my skincare routine to help with the overall health and appearance of my skin, because I do enlarged pores. I've always just had them really here, and so I really need to make sure I keep those like cleared out to keep from getting breakouts and stuff like that. And we can always use help with reducing fine lines and wrinkles, and of course any blemishes or even, you know, a little bit of eczema. It can help clear that up. But like I said, what I like best is the vegan hyaluronic acid, as well the jojoba oil. Those are very moisturizing ingredients. So let's see how it goes. I will probably check in a few weeks to let you guys know how I'm liking this. All right, thank you guys so much for checking out the video.